Welcome, Richard Slotcar Room. Welcome to a special edition. Richard Slotcar Room Semi is finished. Bring it around here and we'll take a look at it. Didn't turn out too bad. I'm not much for painting and detailing. My anxiety, I shake and mess up way too much. But it didn't turn out too bad. Took my time and used the magnifier light, and turned out pretty nice. Mega G Plus chassis on it. Let's put it on the dyno, see what kind of numbers we can get. Not very good for G Plus, Mega G Pluses. They want over 60 Turn that light off. $250 ain't bad for Mega G Plus. So look at the chassis. 1.5 Mega G Plus LED bulb. It's got the aftermarket black bulkhead. Jag Hobbies aftermarket replacement motor and board, which has a larger solder spot on it, so I was able just to heat it up and stick those LED headlight wires right on the board. Put a little oil on it and put some Novus on the body, just like a typical review. Polish up the ticket shoes a little bit. Someone said in one of my comments that they didn't realize that a Mega G Plus would fit on a Auto World Semi chassis body. Mega G Plus 1.5 with the body clip does fit on the Auto World Semi. At least it did. There we go. And I took the hubs off and I chromed them. Well, they're not really chrome. It's like a shiny metallic color. But this was the Nestle Crunch Semi. So it had Peterbilt on the side, Nestle Crunch on the doors, and Nestle Crunch up there. And I took all that off. And trailer. A little notice on that. First time since I finished this thing that I actually put a notice on it and letting the paint dry and the decals adhere to the paint. Yeah, I've been running it on the track a little bit, and if you put the guide pin in the back, the semi doesn't like going through the turns as well, especially the high banks. The trailer is the same situation. I put the longer Mega G Plus guide pin on, and do not put one in the back. It does not stay on the track as well. It runs a lot better, follows a lot better this way. Mega G Plus, the longer guide pin right there in the front. Yeah. We'll take it over to the track and we'll take it for a few laps with the lights on, and we'll take it for a few laps with the lights off. Yeah, to run some laps and practice. Anybody that ran a semi knows that it's a handful, no pun intended. But yeah, they're take a little getting used to. LED headlight looks real nice. Yeah, I like that LED light. This thing runs really good. That Mega G Plus, it's hard to control. You gotta run it easy. Trying to run her easy. Could put it on lower voltage, but we'll leave it on the medium voltage. Well, there it is. Rich's Slotcar Room Semi. It's a Muriel. I made the trailer standard looking, aluminum metallic looking trailer. And most semis look like this, and most of them are like, you know, basically a Muriel. Put the business's name on the side of it. Or like Smoking a Bandit, put a stagecoach on the side of it. That looked really cool. Imperial blue, dark blue. It's was the Nestle Crunch Auto World Semi, and turned it into Rich's Slotcar Room Semi. Like I said, that's that 1.5 Mega G Plus chassis that I pulled the can out of it and took the can motor apart one night during my Friday Night Live, and ohmed that armature. It was like 15 or 18 ohms or something. Like, wow. Maybe more now. I can't remember. I should have wrote it down. I got bad memory. But yeah, it wasn't very impressive. But the Mega G Pluses run good on the track. Not that great on the dyno. I don't know if it's the chassis magnets. They're a little dirty. But yeah, it runs great on the track. I gotta barely touch the throttle on it. Lighted Mega G Plus lighted semi. I don't know if you've ever seen one of them before or not. First one I've seen. I built it myself. Everybody's doing customs now. G-Bud, Joe. I mean, a lot of guys are doing well. Matt over at Man-Child Motorsports, he made me a really nice Mustang, Super 3 Mustang. It's beautiful with paint job on it. Really beautiful. That's awesome, Matt. G-Bud made that semi for me. That's a really nice semi. Yeah, I just wanted to make one myself. I did a bunch of my, whenever I get a car from my collection that's nicer than the one that's already in, I put it at doubles. I put the nicer one in, and I take the one that's not so nice. And if it's still a nice car and it's sellable, I'll put it on the tray and I'll sell it. But if it's not, then I use it as a daily driver. And I've been about 3 or 4 years ago, I started painting them, doing my own customs, and they don't look that great. If I just paint the car a solid color, like the 57 Chevy that's over there is white, and I painted the bumpers and the grill and the side plates black, it turned out real nice. But it's just I don't even know where it's at right now. Actually, I think I gave it away. Yeah, I did. I think I gave it away. One of my Friday Night Live giveaways. I gave it away to somebody. So somebody got it. It turned out real nice. And this 44 Coupe didn't turn out too bad. It's a cherry red. But it's got gray. And I got the chrome pen now. I might chrome it. But, I mean, it looks okay. But, like I said, I had ADHD as a kid. Was on Ritalin in school. Obsessive compulsive disorder. I got anxiety disorder. I was diagnosed with that when I was in the military. Panic disorder. I inherited that from Mom. I have panic attacks, anxiety attacks, and sit there and I'm trying to use a little paintbrush. And underneath this light, it ain't so bad. I mean, if I just go real slow, I gotta take the paintbrush and cut it and make so they're nice and flat on the end, and just go slow and take your time. But these chrome pens, liquid chrome. Thank you, Scott Daniels over at Scott's House of HO. He showed these off one night during his live, and I went right over and ordered them. They got chrome, gold, and bronze, and they got there's 2 different size tips. And it tells me on here somewhere what size tip it is. This here I think is a 1, and the other one's a 3. I can't remember where it even shows that at now. But yeah, this is the smaller one. But they have, see how small the tip is on it. Because this ain't even the one. This ain't it. This is it right here. It's called Big Thumb. Chrome ink marker. Yeah. This here is a 1mm. And the other one I have is a 3mm. Real small tip on it. Looks big right there, but it's small. And yeah, these are really nice pens. Big Thumb. And they got chrome, gold, and bronze. So they turned out. And I used that on the Semi to do the air cleaners and do the horns at the top of the lights. And it real nice and easy to use. So thank you, Scott, for that heads up on that. Appreciate that. Hope you guys like the Semi. And like I said, Mega G Plus, 1.5 Mega G Plus with a headlight, LED headlight in it, and an Auto World Semi. That's a Slotcar Room. Yeah. So you guys been wanting to see that. There she is. I'm all done with it. She's gonna be a table queen, like a shelf queen. I'm gonna take the guide pins out, probably just set it on the table. Show. You'll see it during my videos. Like I've always had the one that G-Bud made me. Got it on the table. And I'll keep that on the table too. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking it out. Hope you like that. If you have any questions about it, I bought this Semi from Pro Tinker Toys Thursday night auction. Nobody was bidding on it. I got a good price on it. So yeah, thanks for nobody bidding on it. And yeah, get you one. Paint it however you want. Appreciate you guys coming in. Yeah, I'm not sure what day I'm gonna post this. I think maybe Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday. And sign in, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that a lot. Analytics, that's how you can support my channel until I get a 1,000 viewers. 500, I'm not sure what it is before they let you buy me a coffee, all that stupid shit that they put on there, put a little dollar sign on there. I don't need any money. I don't need any cards on here. The support that I need is subscribing, sign in, and stay signed in. And when you watch my videos, give me a thumbs up and a comment. I like your comments. At least seven words. If they don't like cool car, thanks. You know, they like 7 words or more. They don't consider, like a lot of times people will just give you 2 thumbs ups in the comments. I do that a lot of times. And that really doesn't count. But if you go on somebody that's got 2 million subscribers and they already have, 9,000 comments, you're not really helping them that much. But me, I just hit 200 today. Thank you very much. That's awesome. Thank you. I was at 286 before I lost my channel. Before I lost it. And I really appreciate you guys coming back. Appreciate it a lot. And this lets me know that you guys like what I'm doing. Want me to keep on doing it. And I got a lot more cars to do. A lot more. Maybe I'll do another Semi for one of my Tyco Tuesdays or Tyco Fridays. But there she is, Rich's Slotcar Room Semi. Hope you guys like it. Like I said, any questions, throw them down there in the comments. Appreciate it. And you guys have a great rest of your week. And yeah, thanks a lot. Appreciate it, everybody. Bye.